Hello and welcome to Juice with Jeff. Today we are doing Jeff's Quest for the Best Salsa Edition.
Juice with Jeff.
So we went to the store. As you can see, we got 5 salsas. And I spent $27 on 5 salsas. Like, why do I do this to myself? And so we're gonna try them and see which one is the best. And to keep this scientific, okay, we are doing a, what is it called? Controlled experiment where we are tasting them only with 2 different kinds of chips. And that is it. Damn, you look tall. Did you get your knees done? Roll a clip.
You got taller, too.
We got our knees done.
So let's get into it already. We're gonna try them. So classic Old Dutch restaurante salsa. Medium.
It's fat-free and it has some vegetable ingredients, so that is also good.
Do you even know what salsa is?
Vegetables.
I also have 5 different spoons to not contaminate the subjects. So these are the salsa bowls.
Salsa bowls?
That don't look like a bowl. That's flat.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Okay, so
Just wait till you stop chewing.
I would say that in the initial first bite, it's watery. It's a little like runny. I don't
Oh
think.
my god, just continue.
Anyway,
Please.
so it's not that spicy in my opinion. It's good, but it's not like the best. That's what I think. What do you think?
I feel like it's just like what you would expect. You know what I mean? Like if you went to buy like chips and salsa, like it's what you would expect.
Okay, so we're gonna try out another chip.
This is the lime.
Hint of lime.
Maybe it'll bring out new notes.
Yeah.
Or
Oh
whatever they
my
say.
god, look at you with your fancy terminologies.
I'm a foodie. And by that I mean I like to eat.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Second bite, same opinion.
I like it with the
lime.
chip.
It really brought out the notes.
New notes.
Okay.
Anyways, next.
Next one, cheapest one, a
It's
mild.
just selection. Whatever the
What is
whatever that
selection?
is.
I've never heard of that brand.
mild salsa, so it's not gonna be spicy for anybody. This is just like no name brand, I'm assuming. So. Okay.
Okay, here we go. Cheers. um.
Thoughts?
I didn't know we got past the sauce as an option.
It's true.
It's bad, okay? Like, sorry, selection.
We should have known. Like, look at the lid. That's a pasta sauce lid.
Oh my gosh.
It's a pasta sauce lid.
That is such a pasta sauce lid. Maybe the lime will bring a more notes.
Some new notes.
Cheers.
Okay.
I want to cry. Like, I'm so disappointed. I'm not mad, okay?
The dramatics.
I'm just disappointed.
So it didn't taste better with the lime one.
We're gonna put this one at the bottom of the pile. We're going on to, ¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa? Okay. Organic. Love it. And it's also a medium. Here we go. Okay. Scoop it up. Let me give it a little.
It's very ground. Like this is
What?
not chunky.
Oh. Yeah, I mean,
Oh, well, I guess. Yeah, not
it's a
really.
little chunky. Here we go. Don't ask me what happened because I don't know. I don't know. I couldn't breathe.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, you know what? I actually really liked it. It tastes organic, if that makes sense to you. If you know, you know. It was really good and it's spicier than the other medium.
I would agree.
Okay,
It's really good.
next. I'm excited.
Personally, for me, it's like the right level of spice.
Careful.
Shh.
Okay, I don't know if I
Now with the lime chip.
can-
Yeah, that's a good one.
Best one so far. It was like medium price range. I'm gonna put this one in the front. Next, we on to my girl Tostitos. Hold on.
The microphone did not like that. Tostitos, medium. Roasted red pepper salsa.
Oh, we got a flavor.
Fancy. Smell it.
Oh my gosh, it smells like smoky, like a little chipotle.
Yeah, it smells very different from the
Yeah,
other. Okay, I'm like low-key, like excited.
I know. Cheers.
It tastes like barbecue salsa. Like barbecue sauce and salsa together.
There's no roasted pepper.
It's just like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like smoky. Like it tastes like barbecue sauce.
It's like smoky tomatoes that have been burnt. No red pepper. Like maybe there's one chunk of roasted red pepper in here. I don't know.
Well, let's see
Round 2.
how we feel.
I thought it was gonna be good.
It tastes a little bit more like salsa this time,
Mm-hmm.
but I feel like it tastes like it doesn't have as much flavor now.
It's just there. It's existing. Okay, where do we put it then? Like
Probably
here.
here.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, I have high hopes for this last one because it was expensive.
Oh my god, it was
Like,
$10.
yeah. I've never
For a
spent
little-
that much money on a salsa before, so like the video. Desert pepper tequila salsa. Let's crack her open.
By the way, like we're not like food critics, so don't come for me. Do
Why,
it.
ow.
Get that rubber glove.
Best lid, yeah, you guys. There ain't no pasta sauce lid.
Give it a little mix.
Yes.
Give it a little mix.
little mix.
Oh my god, it actually looks like very
It
pureed.
looks like very pureed. It looks so different from all the other ones. I love it. Okay. I don't know. Do I love it? We'll find out. Stay tuned.
good.
It's good, but it's not $10 good. It has a kick to it.
Yeah. It's smoky. Oh, it has silver tequila in it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's try it again.
Cheers. I feel like that kind of made it sweeter.
For me though, like honestly, I think I would put this one like here.
Really?
Maybe here.
I was
Yeah.
thinking more like here.
Really?
Yeah. I still
Well,
like it.
maybe let me give me a little. Oh, yeah. Okay. I think Que Pasa was the best one. Thank you for joining us today on Jeff's Quest for the Best Salsa Edition. There will probably be a part 2. And so this winning one of today, the Que Pasa, will make it into that round. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe, watch my videos, give me a like, follow my Insta, follow his Insta. They're not gonna be able to find you with your ugly profile picture. No. And most important of all, stay juicy.
Juice with jazz.